Hi, I'm JT Shrewsbury. Welcome to Scursive. Good morning, folks. It's day 3 here at Madeira Beach. We're just hanging out at the cottage. It's about 7 a.m., a little after 7. Beautiful morning. I'll let you see some of it here. The sun's coming up over that way. But we're just sitting here. I got a coffee from 7-Eleven. Every time I do that, I put the cup over Susan's face. I do it that way. So get my coffee. But yeah, we're just chilling out here. Getting ready to start the day. We're gonna be going to the beach here pretty soon. Before that, I'm gonna drink coffee. But we'll take some video, let you guys see what we're up to. Okay, folks, we're I don't know what time it is. It's 8-ish. We're headed to the beach. Looks a little cloudy though. A little later start this morning, but we're gonna go hang out for a little while. Okay, if the wind takes your hat and you're holding a coffee, don't try to catch it. Don't try to catch your hat with your coffee hand. This right here is the favorite part of my walk. Good morning.
Sorry, good morning.
Good. Man, is this not beautiful or what? Look at this. We're getting ready to walk through these little trees. It's like walking through a little jungle with the paradise on the other side. Sand dunes here and there. There it is. Oh yeah, those waves are really kicking today. Look at that. I can't wait to get into that. Wow. That salt's gonna make me sneeze. Hear that or the red tide. Woo! Lots of beach walkers out here today. Not a lot of people set up. A few down there. Have this beach all to ourselves. I gotta follow Susan. She's, I don't know if you can hear me because the wind's blowing, but she is Speedy Gonzales. That looks fun. Possibly dangerous.
Moving this way.
I know you guys can't hear this very well, if at all. Wind is kicking. Waves are kicking. We're about to go get in this shit. I don't think I'm gonna go too far. Those things are high way back there. Look at that. Look at that. it. What makes this nice is the breeze. That breeze makes it really nice. I don't know if you can see this, but the waves are coming in sideways. And maybe I just don't know enough about beaches and wave movements and currents and all that, but the water's not flowing straight back into the ocean. It's actually going sideways, like it's pulling me that way, like towards the side of the coast. So that's where the current is sucking me to. Kind of like sucking me that way. Water's all churned up today. Can't see anything. It's very murky. Definitely ain't gonna swim in no murky water. I'll hang out in it, but I ain't swimming. Definitely can't snorkel. Red tide, guys. Ocean giveth, ocean taketh away. There's the sun. Finally decided to show up, which is okay. Kind of need to stay out of the sun. Well, not really stay out. We're only getting in like 3 or 4 hours in the morning. We get out of it during the heat of the day. Sorry if the sound is crap. Life is good. The beach is starting to get busy. A lot of people coming out now. The sun's out for now. Weather comes from out there. Clear skies ahead, what I see. Alright. We'll walk along this beach for a little while. See if we can catch up with some of these birds and see what they're up to. red tide ain't no joke. In this area, they've got it, I think, marked as yellow. So like a cautionary. But I've seen a few dead fish. I really haven't seen the actual red tide. It's a fungus, it's red. Or, you know, more like an algae, type of algae. There's not enough here to see it. But it can cause upper respiratory problems. It's probably worse than COVID, who knows. But if that was red right there, you probably wouldn't want to get in it. It could make you sick. Look, this guy's got a fish. Okay, here's another one, look, washed up. I don't know if that's from the red tide or not. It's just a dead fish. I don't know how common that is. I don't live on the ocean. I'm just recording what I see. He thinks I'm gonna come take his fish. I don't want your fish, buddy. I just want to watch you, see what you're doing. I think he's trying to rinse it off. Looks like he's cleaning it. There he goes. Back to where I just came from. I walked all the way out here to see him. Folks, I don't know if you can hear me or not. That wind is really kicking. But I just wanted to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And, you know, like and subscribe. You know, and I don't know how often I'm going to post videos, so if you want a notification every time I load up a video, ring that bell. And every time I upload something, you'll get some kind of notification so you know what I'm doing. I don't really have a schedule for this. I'm just going to post them whenever I can, you know. You guys keep up to date with what's going on in the Scursive world. But I really appreciate you watching us. Again, like and subscribe. Today, we're just going to be, we don't really have a plan. We're just going to be hanging out on the beach. The wind's blowing in, so it's actually a nice and cool breeze. You really don't feel the heat. So you really got to watch it, I guess, with the sun and everything. We've been out here since 8. I don't even know what time it is now. Or I think it's 9. I don't even know. I'm not wearing a watch. All I know is I'm on a beach. What's better than that? We're going to sit here, we're going to enjoy it. Once we get too hot, we'll go in for a little while. We've got some restaurants we haven't been to yet that we're going to try, so we'll take you along for that. And then, I'm not sure what we'll do. We might go home, take a nap after that, and go out again. We really don't have a plan. We're just going to kind of chill out. You know, if we get bored, we'll probably hit a bar. You know, start speaking in Scursive. Hence, Scursive. Okay, we got a boogie boarder. He's going to see if he can do it. I'm rooting for him. Shout out to this guy for trying. Today is the best day for it. Let's see if he can do it. Come on, brother. Hey, you know what? Little's better than nothing. Alright folks, it's nearing 11 o'clock. We're starving. We usually don't eat until our first meal's around 11. Well, it is because that's when every place opens. So we're pretty hungry. We went to the beach. We're back from the beach. Took showers. Susan took a small nap. Now we're ready to go fuel up. We do. Sort of. Alright. Okay, we're getting ready to have lunch. We're going to have lunch at Broken Board Grill. It is located just 12 minutes drive from Madeira Beach, where our cottage is, and it's at Redington Shores. So I don't know if you can see that over there. I'll do a little tour of it later. Little Redington Shores, another beach just north of, just the beach just up from Madeira Beach. That's all it is. This is the morning sangria. Well, it's not called the morning sangria, it's just called sangria, but it's 11 a.m. So it comes with a lime and a lemon. It's pretty good. Susan's got her Coke. She's taking it easy today, I guess. Her liver's sore. Okay, folks, our food is here. I got the lobster roll, which is my thing, and then some kind of pineapple coleslaw. I'm really excited about that. Susan got
blackened shrimp.
What is it?
Blackened shrimp.
Blackened shrimp. She's got some bruschetta here right next to it. That looks delicious as well. See that? See that? That's really good. Okay, I'm gonna try this coleslaw. Look at that. Very fresh. Delicious. I'd love to eat some of the meat off of this. Look at that, it's overflowing. It's a bun. The lobster goes in the bun, but it's overflowing. So I'm going to eat some of this lobster off there before I can even get to the bun. Can't even see the bun. I made it to the bread, folks. So, crab rolls, lobster rolls, some stuff like this, and some kind of toasted bread. Some kind of bun or hot dog bun or bread. Man, this stuff is delicious. First time I tried it, I was hooked. I could eat this every day. That is delicious. How was it?
Amazing.
Delicious? Yeah. Okay, this is Broken Board Grill. And I shot video of the inside so you can see what the inside looks like. They have the tables outside that I was telling you about over here. And then they also have this little shaded area, this little shaded patio, which is really nice. Again, this is about 12-minute drive from our cottage, and it's in Redington Shore Beach. It's called Redington Shore, or Redington Shores, something like that. A nice little sit here and finish our drinks, and I don't know if we'll go over there to Redington Beach. I mean, they all look the same. Might drive through there. We'll see. Nice little just hangout area. I really like it. I need this in my backyard. Extension to Shrew's Brewery. Summer hangout. Look at these tables made out of surfboards. It's pretty nice. I would definitely like to have some kind of setup like this outside of the garage. Get outside where the cicadas are. Man, I am stuffed. That was just one delicious lunch. And that lobster roll, I mean, it was huge. You couldn't even see the bread. I had to eat half of it before I could even get to the, pick it up so I could eat it like you're supposed to. And then the coleslaw had little chunks of pineapple in it. Those were, man, that was amazing. So yeah, Again, if you like seafood, they have other fares as well. You can take a look at the menu. But again, I'm on that, I guess you'd say seafood diet for real. No land-dwelling animals. I mean, nothing but seafood. But, you know, they have that burger at that brewery, that donut, jelly donut burger. So, I don't know. I might try that. We'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, folks. If you're not staying within walking distance of a beach, you can always pull into one of these beach access parks. They have them all up and down the coast. Makes you come in here, you park anywhere, really. But it is paid parking. So, what you do is, it tells you the times and everything on the sign there. See that? Sorry. And you got sidewalks you can go down. Actually, this one might be a free park. Oh no, there it is right there. There's the paid part right there. So you walk up to one of these things, and there's two different types. Ones that give you tickets, ones that don't. Ones that give you tickets, you just put the ticket in your car for however many hours. You know, it tells you when it expires. You just have to either get another ticket or leave by the time that expires. Or some of them, we ran into one that has, it goes by license plate number. So you put your license plate number in, and then when it expires, I guess a notification goes out somehow, or they just keep an eye on it. So, Susan's going to clean the windows for me.
It's perfect.
It's probably seagull poop. But yeah, so you can access the beach from one of these places. The other thing is crosswalks. Pedestrians do have the right of way. I think I talked about this before. Kind of like Gatlinburg, you gotta stop when they're crossing. So you gotta keep an eye out for that. Yeah, here you go. Go to any beach you want to. We're gonna stick to our beach right now. We might, I don't know, we might take a trip down to Paso Grill or something. There's some cool things to see down there. Some expensive coastal properties.
Looking for the one that's got the 7-car garage. I think it's right here. Nope, it's this one. Nope, I'm wrong.
There we go.
It's this one. It's got the 7-car garage.
Wow.
2 doubles, 3 singles.
Okay, folks, if you make it to John's Pass, here's another hidden gem. It's kind of on one down the side alleys. It's called Big Dick's Salty Seaman. Okay, and their motto is where the customer always comes first. Very cool shop. I'll take you through a short little walkthrough. You can kind of see kinds of shirts, socks, booty shorts for the girls here. Booty shorts. All kinds of some novelty things, hats, mostly shirts. Okay. Yeah, this is a little fun little shop here. I'm not going to show you everything, but you get the gist of it. Coasters. You can hear in the background everybody laughing. This is a fun little shop. Yeah, it's a fun little shop. All kinds of stuff in there. I highly suggest it. I ended up buying. I spent some money there. Yeah. How can you not? Yeah. It's these things you find. It's kind of out really. There's just a little side boardwalk or a side strip here. A little coffee shop down there, and then pretty much just this. Something else down there. I don't know what the heck that is, but yeah. Glad we found this place. Yeah, glad we went in there. Okay, got these little fans here. You can get them fairly cheaply off of Amazon. Fairly cheap, I should say, off of Amazon. I got mine from Uline for free. Might look silly, but they do pretty good. But I want to show you, there's bathrooms on this second floor. There's only, I think, 3 or 4 public restrooms in this complex. The one straight downstairs has got a line a mile long. So I don't think anybody really knows about this second floor set of bathrooms, but there is some, I'm not going to tell anybody. There's, some bathrooms up here. Usually nobody's up. Nobody's in them. You go in there and you can stop. Short, little extra walk around the block. Up some steps to around the block. Over here. Good? All right. Onward. We're on the boardwalk again at John's Pass. We're hanging up close to Hooters. I mean, we are at Hooters. We're not eating here. We're just walked up here. But I caught a few dolphins over here in the thing. I'll do my best to edit the video so you can see them. But yeah, they're out there. It's not a fable. It is Sunday afternoon. I don't know what time it is. But there's dolphins out here.
No, that one's
and this place is packed, both sides. Look at that. I think they rented all the jet skis out, which we were going to do during the week anyway. I'm trying to do it today. We figured Saturday and Sunday would be super busy, so, which it is. I wasn't looking, but the video probably caught it. Got a pelican landing. Should rename it Pelican Landing. Just sitting up there. Dolphins just chilling out there. I see them. They're just under the water. They'll probably move away once those jet skiers. Those jet skiers going over there towards it. So he's going to move out of the way, I'm sure. He's getting right up to it. They didn't move away. At least they trust him. What they're doing, just hovering there.
There's like 5 or 6 of them right there.
Yeah. Arm's getting tired holding this camera up. Just wanting to wait to see him come up so we can prove that they're there again, but I don't know if I got it in me. Just look at the pelican. See the dolphin out there, folks? I'll try to zoom in on it. There it is again. I'll try to zoom in and stabilize. Right here at John's Pass. Right at the drawbridge. Just hanging out in John's Pass. Alright, we're back at Pirates Pub N Grub. We came here Thursday. Hey, we're just going to have drinks and maybe an appetizer. We're on the boardwalk, so I'll show you. We're on the boardwalk. See that way.
Oh, there she is, Mommy.
All the shops. We just want to sit out here. We got a fan.
My #1 favorite for eats.
Yeah, Susan really loves this place. She would come here every time I asked where you want to go. She's like, I'm okay with this, with Pirates Pub N Grub.
We've had 5 different meals, 5 different places.
Yes.
This is #1 so far. I had the fried shrimp.
She likes this one the best so far.
I had the fried shrimp.
But we saw some, so look out there, you can see right there at John's Pass. And the drawbridge is over that way. And we're going to sit right here and maybe see some more dolphins. Hopefully see some more dolphins. That's pretty neat. Just sit out here. Once that breeze gets going, it's not bad at all. You hear people coughing in the background from the red tide, I think. Either that, it's just salt water and fresh air. One
I
of the
think
two.
it's the red tide. It's got me coughing every time we come outside.
Won't hurt you. Just an annoyance. It's more harmful to marine life when it's severe. It's not severe here. It's just low level. It just causes minor irritation. So you're gonna cough here and there. It kind of feels like it makes your nose drain. So that's probably where the cough comes in.
Sorry.
You're good.
He's taping himself.
Yeah, it's all about me.
He like that.
We're having a ball, folks. We're just chilling. People watching. We got Tiki. I'm going to show you something. I don't know if I can get this. I'm going to have to stop the video and turn the camera around. You see out there, you can actually rent a Tiki bar. There it comes. Maybe I'll wait till it gets in view. There. you rent one of those tiki bars. I believe what you do is you just grab your cooler. You rent the tiki bar. You grab your cooler. You just drink your own alcohol while they give you a tour of the. I don't know what you call this. It might be a bay, maybe John's Pass Bay or something. I don't know what they call it. But it's a little inlet. Yeah, you can sit there. See these guys? They're spinning around in circles, drinking beer. You know, you can see they have their coolers on there. So you bring your cooler. I guess they have it tied down somehow, and you just sit there and bullshit with your friends. You got a guy pointing out certain landmarks, I guess, as he takes you through a tour of all the, this entire area. And if you look down there, I mean, there's some pretty expensive homes down there. That one on the corner is probably multi-million. I think I saw it on one of those shows or Google or something for the one with the blue windows. Man, I wanted to say something like 100 million. I don't know. I mean, not 100 million, but it was expensive. It was very expensive. It's out of my price range. That's all that counts. So they'll give you a tour of that, and they'll tell you all about the different areas. There's sandbars out here that you can pull your boat up to and just get out and stand on the sandbar and drink and have fun. They call it boat stock. I might have mentioned that before, but boat stock. I mean, I'd love to be able to do that. All right, finally got our drinks going. So it starts. I don't know what it's called. Some kind of strawberry mango daiquiri. So we'll start off with this. I'll get brain freeze, of course, as I usually do. I always get brain freeze, but there you go. That's delicious. Very good. Very refreshing. Great for a hot day. Howard's Pub N Grub. #1 on the list, according to Susan.
Backwards up.
That's it. Already got brain freeze.
The guy just jumped up.
Bridge up. Got a sailboat going through, folks. Sailboats have the right of way because they can't stop. All boats. There's actually two. One's already underneath the bridge. You can probably see the mast.
Two boats going through.
Oh, God, I like it. Smoldering. Well, I need to because
This place is great. Folks, so far today I've had a sangria, a strawberry mango daiquiri, and now Bahama Mama. Now it's getting real. That's some rum right there. Decided to try their gator bites here. So they look good.
They're less nuggety. They're more.
Guess we'll find out. See what they taste like.
Yesterday they were gator like nuggets. These are like gator skins.
They're a little warm.
A little thinner.
Good.
I'm sure they're hot.
They're hot, but they're good. Very good. All right, folks, we're still sitting here at Pirates Pub N Grub, and again, I'm on the corner here, and you know I've got the boardwalk with this. Wow, there's nobody over there. Look at that. I must have hit a dry spell. Nobody over there. Well, there's people over there, but you know, I don't work here. I'm just here drinking, but a lot of people stop and ask me questions. I tell you folks, man, you know, I have an answer for everything. It may not be the right answer, but I will answer you. If you ask me where to go, I will say, well, it's probably... I will answer your question, and I'll just logically guess. I'm not trying to be dishonest. I'm just like, okay, what's the logical answer to that question? I don't want to say no. I don't know. I'm not going to say that. I'm like, well... probably downstairs. I think there's a downstairs over there. There, probably downstairs. Dollar beers. I'm like, probably not dollar beers, but what's the blah?
Did you look at the sign?
I did not look at the sign. I had a guy ask me if there was dollar beers before. I'm like, yeah. He's like, is it four? He could barely speak English. He's like, is it $4 beers? I'm like, I don't know what time it is, but if you want a beer, get a beer. He's like, $1? I'm like, probably not $1. Probably like $5 or something. I don't know. There's a sign out there that says $1 off at 4 for beers. I think he read it as $1 beer. Susan wants to show you.
Oh.
Other way.
No, I'm looking at myself now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. She was right. I was wrong. I'm cutting that part out of the video.
Jeez.
It's getting that time, baby.
What would you do?
It's getting that time. Hi, my name's JT Struce. Hi, I'm JT Shrewsbury.
Scursive.
What she said. Well, back to my video, folks. I was just saying, you know. Oh, we got more things coming.
Over here?
Yeah.
Absolutely. If you ask me a question at this bar, I will give you an answer. It may not be the right one, it may not be a good one, but you will have an answer. Simple as that. Right, Susan?
Right, Jeff.
Here we go, folks. These guys are jumping. Oh, we got another jumper. I guess it's encouraged. It must be encouraged. Into the sun. Okay, folks, down one of these alleys, it's like a nothing alley. Like there's really like nothing here. It's just like hidden. It's a little convenience store. So you know, if you know your bungalow is running out of toilet paper, because they don't supply toilet paper, you really got to supply your own stuff. They give you a starter kit. So if you need toilet paper, you're in John's Pass. There you go, convenience store. They have everything. Come here and stock up. You don't have to drive to town or I drive to 7-Eleven every day, but Gatorade, to hydrate, whatever you need. All right, folks, we're back at Mad Pub in Madeira Beach, right next to the cigar shop. Same owners. We got Vince over there in the orange hat. We got Ty over there with the hat with the sunglasses. Bar back coming this way. That's Jake. And then Man Bun over there at the end is
Ryan.
I'm drinking some kind of red drink. I can't remember what the name of it is. It's probably a Planter's Punch or
I think you asked for a rum runner.
it's a rum runner. got a cigar from Cuban Paradise. Okay, we're at Madeira Beach Craft Brewing Company. This is Kalypso, which is a key lime frozen daiquiri. Very good, very delicious. Folks, it's like 7 o'clock at night, and I think we looked at it. Sunset's gonna be 8:28, which is our address. So we're gonna go up there and hang out at the beach for a little while. And it's her birthday and it's our address. It's two things. So we made our drinks that we showed you, and we got our beach blanket, and we're gonna go up there and if the clouds are cooperative. It's been a long day. We're gonna see if there's no sunset, then we're just gonna enjoy the beach and the red tide, something. We're gonna go up there and see what's going on. All right, we got our beach blanket set up, all our stuff set up. We brought our drinks that I showed you earlier. Susan's got hers. You guys noticed this, but we're at low tide. So if you looked at this morning's video when we first came out, I went out into the ocean and got into the waves and stuff, and I did some things. The water was, let me show you. The water was all the way up to right here where my foot is. You know, I didn't see it go up that high because I wasn't out here when that happened, but I was here when it was going up to this ledge here, you know, where my foot is right there. You know, where you see the ledge right now, that's where I was. That's where the water was coming this morning. So we're obviously at low tide now. So Susan's probably standing where I was standing when I was showing video of the waves coming in and splashing over the camera. So that's where she is now. So you can see it's still a clean beach. You know, you don't have to worry about stepping on stuff. I haven't seen any jellyfish. I mean, I'm sure there's jellyfish out here, but and probably some small sharks, but I haven't seen anything right now. And we might get a good view of the sunset, because that storm that was supposed to come through is pretty much, I think it's almost gone. I mean, there's some people over there flying kites. You can see some dark clouds. We haven't seen any rain. It was supposed to rain and thunderstorm, but we haven't seen that today. So we're gonna just continue to hang out here. I'm gonna get in the water and chill, and I'll show some video later and try to catch the sunset if we can stay out here that long. We'll see. You can see the algae in this water here. It wasn't here 2 days ago. It wasn't here yesterday. You can see it today, so that's red. That must be the red algae, the red tide. So it's that wind's really churning it up. Okay, I'm telling Susan that we may not be able to see the sunset at the horizon. There may be too many clouds. See it over there? What's your take on this?
You're going to hear it when it hits the ocean.
Really?
Yes.
Is this how it makes? Hits the ocean?
Yes. You're going to hear it.
So we'll know when it hits the ocean when it goes